Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Today we will be looking into NOIZ ICO Project. The website to get into the details is noisechain.com. It's nothing but a decentralized cognitive ad network. The reason why it is important is because of the ad fraud and privacy issues that have been raised in 2017 and 2018. And there was definitely a need of resolving that issue, but resolving that issue using artificial intelligence, resolving that issue using blockchain, and a cognitive feature is something that I had not thought about earlier. So for me, this project becomes a hit because it uses all the best technologies that are available to solve a particular business problem, which is which has affected almost everyone in 2017, 2018, and before that as well. So, so it's a nice, neat website that is being designed. It has a lot of videos, of course, that you can go through to understand the cognitive ad, what is the meaning of cognitive ad, and things of those nature. Now, let's say, for example, if I was booking a flight from, say, from India to United States, and a chat box opens up and interacts with me, uh, and takes my details about my preferences for hotel, whether it is my first time visiting to United States from India, or I am a frequent flyer there, and things like that. So it collects that sort of information from me, and based on my inputs, it shows me um, it decides what future ad to show me, which is good enough because um, it becomes more relevant as a consumer next time when I see an ad, and it also increases the ROI for an advertiser, uh, and and it's a win-win situation for everyone in the ecosystem. Now, before I get into a little bit more details, let's understand how NOIZ works. So NOIZ ecosystem will have one token, which is the NOIZ token. It's the same NOIZ token that will facilitate all the advertising campaigns and the smart contract creation, while also operating as coupons, airdrops by the advertisers and publishers to the consumers. So the publisher is nothing but someone who provides a platform for an ad to run, whether it is YouTube or whether it is Facebook or any other ad platform. So publisher will announce an ad availability on NOIZ platform as step number one, and then advertiser will upload ad campaign preferences to the NOIZ server, and he will also create cognitive ads. He will enter all the campaign criteria, publish it, and once it is published, it will be available for the customers visiting the publisher's website. So in case if we were to talk about, say, Facebook or YouTube as publisher, and say Delta Airlines as advertisers, so Facebook and YouTube will announce the availability of an ad space on NOIZ platform, and Delta Airlines will upload the campaign and create cognitive ads, and complete all the uh, required campaign criteria, and finally publish it. So any customer visiting Facebook or YouTube, as an example, will be now able to see the Delta cognitive ad, and will be able to interact with that ad, with that bot intelligently, and that bot will keep collecting the data. So the more it engages with customers, the more number of customers, it becomes all the more intelligent, using the machine learning um, exercise. So that's how the entire ecosystem will work. It's a pretty interesting programmatic ad buying feature. I love this idea of ensuring that that customers' privacy is protected, and at the same point of time, the advertisers' ROI increases as well on a smart contract on a blockchain platform, using machine learning, using AI. This is pretty cool. I call it as a proof of engagement algorithm that NOIZ project is using. um, and 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 this excites me. This project really excites me. I would seriously ask all of you to go to noisechain.com, either visit their uh, Telegram group and understand more about what the team is trying to do, or if you have time and you have an interest, go through their detailed white paper and one pager. Let me quickly show you the one pager at least. So this is their one pager. Highlights pretty clearly as to what the problems are with the consumers, the advertisers, and the publishers, and how the noise solution aims to solve those problems using AI and blockchain, and what sort of social impact it has. Um, and it also talks about the roadmap pretty clearly in all in one page, and of course the token allocation, and the token price information. So price per token is 25 cents, and token sale will be done in BTC and ETH. You can click join whitelist to join their whitelist, or look into their white paper as well. So there are going to be 300 million noise token created. 60% of them would be for public sale, 8% for advertisers, 2% for bounty, 10% for charitable foundations, and 20% for founding team. From an allocation perspective, 35% of the money would be used in expansion, 25% in marketing, 10% in crisis management. I don't understand what is that, but let's say 10% in crisis management, 10% in governance, and 20% in business development. Pretty cool. It's the token sale as per the roadmap. It starts 2018-06-15, which is 15th of June 2018, and that's when their token sale starts, and the token sale runs for 2 months, so it ends on 15/08/2018. uh, and in quarter 4 itself, noise version 0.1 goes live. Cognitive ad launches. So 2018 is going to be pretty exciting for noise team. Of course, they'll be able to complete their ICO, and collect and raise funds, and in the same year, later in quarter 4, they go live with their platform as well. Pretty exciting. Have a look at this project. I would rate this project as 4.3 on 5. Pretty excited to wait for the launch, both the ICO launch as well as the product launch. Hats off to the team to pull it off as of now. Thank you.